What's up guys? In today's video I'm going to do a deep clean of a washing machine. Sometimes washers get kind of funky smelling, sometimes you'll get those black flakes. This is a video for you. Now this is not a breakdown video. You can never get a washer cleaner than taking it all the way apart and cleaning it out. This is more for homeowners that want to do a quick clean of their washer and just get it back to smelling right. Now in this video I'm going to just use Oxiclean. There's a lot of different products nowadays to clean washers with. I like Oxiclean, everyone's familiar with it, and it gives great results. What's up guys? In today's video we're going to talk about cleaning out the inside of a washer. This is the old style washer machine, and I'll make a different video for the newer style washer machine, how to clean them out. The problem with the newer style with the pause play buttons is it'll fill up and it'll drain all your good cleaning liquid that you're going to make to clean out this washer after about 30 minutes on its own. It's just what they do, but there's a way to get around that. But if you have an old style, this is the video for you. You're just gonna pull the knob out, let it fill up with the door open, and it will just stop at large load. Make sure you have it on hot water. The hotter the water, the better. And let it fill all the way up, and you're gonna add hydrogen peroxide, or its powder counterpart, which is also sold as Oxiclean. So Oxiclean will become hydrogen peroxide after it's soaked. You're going to follow the instructions on the back of this for pre-soak washing, which is 6 hours of pre-soaking, which if you do it for longer than 6 hours, it's not really a big deal, but hydrogen peroxide becomes less and less strong over time, and it'll break itself down until it's pretty much not doing anything. So if you do it overnight, it's not the worst thing in the world. If you really want to though, you can set a timer for 6 hours, and that's fine too. All right, we're gonna do 10 of the full scoops, which would be the half strength that they were talking about. All right, and that's about a little over half the box. So you probably would be able to just about do a whole one of these large containers, which I think are about 10 bucks. From here, we're gonna stir up the water by just closing it and turning it on. And you can also press this. We can see it stir. I'm going to let this go for about 2 to 5 minutes. Alright, this part is optional. I like to add a little bit of extra water to it, just so water is getting a little higher on the drum than normally it would get. And this cleans that top part of the drum that normally just kind of gets bubbled up funky stuff on it. And I'll show you the inside right here. This is what I'm talking about. That never gets any water. Our solution's not going to touch that, so none of that will get washed off. Now it'll never wash off completely with just washing it. You do have to scrub that. Now this video is a no tools video, so I'm not going to do that in this video, but I will make another video where we break it down and we clean it out completely. But if you're nervous at all about overfilling your washer, just don't do it. It's optional. I mean, this water is never touching that anyway. It's technically not getting on your clothes. But if you feel nervous, you could also take it outside and fill it up outside and do the same process. All right, so the next step is just let it sit for 6 hours. You'll notice that after a little while, these bubbles will start constantly appearing and stuff will start coming through the bubbles, like this little trashy stuff. This is that black junk that's on the inner and outer tub kind of breaking apart. And also the next morning, this is what the water looked like. It was very yellow. There's no smell to it, so the Oxiclean takes care of all that, but it's just kind of yellow, nasty. Do like to run the machine on the longest, strongest cycle it has with the Oxiclean still in it. So just run it and let it stir all that junk up and get it through. I did run this machine through a strainer, and this was the results. Pretty nasty. All right, guys, please like, please subscribe. We'll see y'all next time.